IKEA launched a whole range of exciting new products this summer, and today we're diving into some of the best finds for summer 2025. From stylish new furniture and lighting to fresh decor pieces, we're covering it all. So stick around as we explore the top new arrivals at IKEA this season. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss the latest home inspiration and IKEA updates. Starting right off with the Thermostat LED portable lamp. This chic and compact LED lamp features a brass-colored base and a frosted glass shade that casts a warm, inviting glow. Designed for convenience, it's battery-powered and completely cordless, so you can place it anywhere without the hassle of plugs. The USB-C charging port makes recharging simple, while the built-in handle allows you to easily carry it from room to room. Its soft, diffused light adds a cozy touch wherever you need it.
The next find is Skog's Mosaic Display Shelf. Showcase your favorite items with the playful Skog's Mosaic Shelf. Featuring 2 adjustable inner shelves, it lets you arrange your display in multiple ways. The deeper outer frame adds a fun, dimensional look, making it stand out on any wall. Pair it with other solid pine pieces for a cohesive and coordinated style. The next find is Lisabo Table. Elegant in its simplicity, this table brings a warm, natural wooden feel to your space. Its smart, innovative design makes it incredibly sturdy. And with just a few clicks, assembly is quick and easy. The surface features ash veneer, while the legs are made from solid birch, both durable hardwoods that add warmth and character. Built to last, this table has passed tests for stability, strength, and safety, ensuring it will stand up to everyday use for years to come. The next find is Natbad Bluetooth Speaker. Music never looked so good. The Natbad Bluetooth speaker blends seamlessly into your home as both stylish decor and a source of rich, powerful sound. Choose a color that either pops or blends into your space, and fill your home with music in moments. It's easy to use and delivers clear sound that can be amplified by connecting additional Natbad speakers using multi-speaker mode. Whether you're streaming from your phone, computer, or any Bluetooth device, you can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks effortlessly. With Spotify Tap, your music is just a button away. Press once to resume where you left off, or press again for a new track based on your listening habits, making it easier than ever to discover fresh tunes you'll love. The next find is Sletorp Sectional 4-Seat with Chaise. This modern sofa blends effortlessly with most interiors and offers flexible comfort to match your lifestyle. The chaise longue can be positioned on either the left or right side and easily switched whenever you want to refresh the look. With a simple grip, the back cushions extend to create a higher backrest, giving you extra support for your head and neck. Perfect for leaning back and relaxing. Designed for comfort, whether you're sitting, lounging, or lying down, it features a high-resilience foam filling with soft polyester fiber wadding for supportive, cushioned seating. The loose back cushions also let you adjust the seat depth and support to suit your needs, making it easy to settle in your favorite way. The next find is Marolk 21 Pieces Picnic Set. Make your outdoor adventures easier and more enjoyable with the Marolk Picnic Set, designed for 4 people and packed with smart features. It's easy to use, store, and carry in the included mesh bag. The set includes everything you need to serve and enjoy a meal on the go. The tray doubles as both a serving surface and storage. Once you're done eating, simply place the plates upside down to form a shell that neatly holds the cutlery inside. All parts are secured with an elastic band, keeping everything compact and organized. The stackable mugs help save space, so the entire set fits neatly into the mesh bag, ready to grab and go for your next picnic. The next find is Rodmanzo Nightstand. The Rodmanzo series draws inspiration from mid-century design, featuring clean lines, practical functionality, and a warm walnut finish. This bedside table combines style and convenience with a drawer for hidden storage, an open shelf for easy access, and built-in cable management to keep cords neatly out of sight. Its rich walnut wood look adds warmth to your space, while thoughtful details, like brass look knobs, a deep blue drawer interior, and black metal legs, enhance the sense of quality and give it a light, elevated feel. Perfect on its own or as part of a coordinated look, you can pair it with matching wardrobes and chests of drawers from the same series for a seamless, stylish bedroom setup. The next find is Actor Spring Table Lamp. Simple yet elegant, this table lamp features a brass-plated metal base, a subtle textile cord, and a beautifully mouth-blown glass shade that casts a soft, ambient glow. Its oval shape makes it easy to place, even on narrow surfaces like a windowsill. The handmade glass lampshade adds a unique touch, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere wherever you choose to display it. The next find is Clotlun Plant Pot with Saucer. Easy to love, dependable, and built to last. The Clotlun Plant Pot and Saucer feature a clean, timeless design that fits effortlessly into any room or outdoor space. A great everyday pot for both indoor and outdoor use. Available in a variety of sizes and colors, it's easy to mix and match to suit your style. Designed with practicality in mind, it includes drainage holes and a matching saucer to catch excess water, allowing you to plant directly into the pot. Frost-resistant, it can withstand freezing temperatures if emptied or covered during cold weather. And for added convenience, the number on the bottom indicates the inner diameter, so you can quickly find the right fit for your plants. That's a wrap on today's roundup of new IKEA finds. Did you spot a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. There are still plenty of new IKEA products we couldn't cover in this video, so be sure to subscribe. You won't want to miss part 2 coming next week. Thanks for watching.